I used to think a carrot was just a carrot. Boy, was I wrong. I grew all of these different varieties right here in my garden, and today we're putting them to the ultimate blind taste test to find out which one is truly the best. Let's see what happens. Section 1. The premise. For years, I'd just grab a bag of carrots from the grocery store without a second thought. To me, they were orange, crunchy, basically a vehicle for ranch dip. But the deeper I got into gardening, the more I discovered these incredible seed catalogs with carrots in every color of the rainbow. We're talking names like Purple Dragon, Solar Yellow, and St. Valerie. It got me wondering, is there really a difference in taste? So I decided to do a little experiment. I planted 6 different varieties side by side right here in my garden. I picked a whole range of colors and types, from a classic orange to some you'll probably never see in a supermarket. My goal is simple: find out if all this variety actually means a difference in flavor, and crown one carrot the undisputed champion of my garden. The contenders for today's taste-off are the classic Scarlet Nantes, the brilliant Atomic Red, the sunny Solar Yellow, the crisp Lunar White, the vibrant Purple Dragon, and the Heirloom St. Valerie. Now, growing great carrots really comes down to a few key things. They need loose, well-draining soil to grow long and straight, which is exactly why I love using my raised beds. And here's a pro tip. To get the sweetest possible flavor, you want to harvest them in the fall, especially after a light frost. That cold snap signals the plant to turn its starches into sugars. It's basically nature's way of sweetening the deal for us. Just look at this. The deep violet of the Purple Dragon, the brilliant Atomic Red, and this almost glowing Lunar White carrot. They're absolutely beautiful. But we all know looks aren't everything. The real test is how they taste. All right, this is the moment of truth. I've got all 6 varieties here, sliced up and labeled with numbers, so I have no idea which is which. I'll be cleansing my palate with some water between each one. I'm judging on 3 things: crunch, sweetness, and that special something, the overall flavor. Let's start with number 1. Okay, a really good snap. It's sweet, but in that very familiar, classic carrot way. It's a solid, good carrot. Nothing to complain about, but it doesn't exactly jump up and down. On to number 2. Whoa, that's different. The texture is so fine-grained, and the flavor is that perfume? It's incredibly sweet, but in a delicate, almost floral way. That is really surprising and just delicious. An amazing carrot for eating fresh. Number 3. This one has a fantastic crisp texture. The flavor is much milder, super clean. I'd call it sweet, but not as intensely sugary as number 2. It's really refreshing. Let's try number 4. Okay, that has a kick. There's a definite spicy, almost peppery note right at the end. It's still sweet, but it has this complexity that the others just don't have. Really interesting. That spicy flavor is wild, right? What's the most unexpected flavor you've ever found in something you grew? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Now for number 5. This one is sharp and intense. It's super crunchy, and the sweetness is bold and upfront. It almost has a slight grassy flavor, but in a good, fresh from the garden kind of way. And finally, number 6. This one's flavor is nice, but it's definitely not as sweet as some of the others. It has a richer, more earthy taste that I bet would be incredible cooked. Okay, tasting's done. Time to unmask these carrots. Carrot number 1 was the Scarlet Nantes. No surprise it tasted like a classic carrot. It's a super popular and reliable heirloom. Carrot number 3, the mild and clean one, was the Lunar White. Number 6, the rich and earthy one, was Atomic Red. Number 5, with that sharp, intense flavor, was the Solar Yellow. And number 4, the one with that awesome spicy kick, was the Purple Dragon. And that means carrot number 2, my absolute favorite for fresh eating with that incredible sweet, perfumey flavor, was the St. Valerie. It's an old French heirloom, and for raw flavor, it is the undisputed champion of my garden today. So, is a carrot just a carrot? Absolutely not. The St. Valerie was the clear winner for snacking raw. The Purple Dragon, with its hint of spice, is easily the most interesting and would be amazing shredded in a salad. The solar yellow has a fantastic crunch, and the classic scarlet Nantes is your perfect do-it-all carrot. This experiment completely changed how I see carrots, and I will never look at them the same way again. Growing your own food opens up a world of flavor you just can't buy at the store. If this inspired you to look beyond the basic orange carrot, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more garden experiments on the way. And please, comment with your favorite carrot varieties. I'm always looking for new ones to try next season. Thanks for watching!